Hallo, guten Morgen und willkommen zu Lektion 4. Welcome to Lesson 4. Today we are talking about personal pronouns and the two most important verbs in every language, which would be the verb to be and to have. Okay, let's start with the personal pronouns. In English, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. These are a bit similar in German. We have the same number of pronouns. So, let's start. Ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie. Okay. You can see in the third person, er, sie, es, like in English, he, she, it. So we also have 3 genders in German, which will be important later on. Okay, let's add a verb to these pronouns. The verb to be. In German, in the infinite form, the verb to be is sein. To be, sein. Okay. In German, we conjugate every verb. In English, you don't really, but with the verb to be, you also conjugate, so this will be familiar for you. So we have I am, ich bin, ich bin. You are, du bist, du bist. He is, er ist, er ist. She is, sie ist, sie ist. It is, es ist, es ist. We are, wir sind, wir sind. You are, ihr seid, ihr seid. They are, sie sind, sie sind. Okay, so that's your first verb, the most important one, the most used one. And let's also cover the verb to have, which in English you do not really conjugate except for the change in the third person singular. But you will see in German we do, and the conjugation itself is quite regular, even in irregular verbs. So you will already see similarities with the verb to be. Okay, let's get started. I have, ich habe, ich habe. You have, du hast, du hast. He has, hat, hat. She has, sie hat, sie hat. It has, es hat, es hat. We have, wir haben, wir haben. You have, ihr habt, ihr habt. They have, sie haben, sie haben. Okay. That would be your first conjugation. I will now give you some sentences and you will see that everything is always regular, and I think you might easily understand these sentences. Okay, sentence 1. Ich bin glücklich. Ich bin glücklich. Here you see ich bin, I am. Glücklich is an adjective which means happy. So, I am happy, ich bin glücklich. Same word order as in English. Easy. Then, second sentence. Sie ist schon da. Sie ist schon da. So, who are we talking about? About her, a female, she. She is, sie ist schon da. Schon da means she is already here. Sie ist schon da. She is already here. Now, let's go with a question. Seid ihr müde? Seid ihr müde? You've already seen ihr means you in the plural. Seid, the verb to be. So, you are tired. But here as a question, are you tired? And in German, as in English, we shift the verb behind before the pronoun. So, you are, ihr seid, and are you, seid ihr. Question, are you tired? Seid ihr müde? Okay, the verb to have in sentences. Another question, hast du Hunger? Hast du Hunger means, are you hungry? So in this case, we actually use the verb to have. Literally, do you have hunger? Hast du Hunger? Also here, question, verb comes first, personal pronoun follows. Okay. Another sentence, wir haben keine Lust. Wir haben keine Lust. We have, wir haben. Keine Lust is a very, very common expression, which is why I'm including it already now. It means we're not in the mood, we don't want to, but it's a proper expression that people use. That's why you should hear it as early as possible. Wir haben keine Lust could be translated as we are not in the mood. Okay, and a last example. Sie haben einen Hund. Sie haben einen Hund. They have a dog. Here the verb have just indicates a possession, so a bit easier. Sie haben einen Hund. Okay.
To see, they can both be she and they. See.
Yes, it's practically the same word. She, sie, they, sie. That's why a conjugation comes in handy, because then when you have the correct verb form, you know if it's singular or plural. But yes, the word itself is the same. Okay. In a couple of lessons we will get back to verbs, but this is for now a good basic, and yeah. So I hope it was easy to follow, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.